Do you want to know how you can log into your MBTA Payroll account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your MBTA Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC. Then go to the search bar to search for MBTA Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official login portal of MBTA Payroll. Now what you need to do is write down your user ID in the first box. After you write down the user ID in the first box, go ahead and go to the second box and write down your password. Then make sure to check your password by clicking on this icon and then click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your MBTA Payroll account. If in case you have forgot your password, click on this link and then it will take you to another page where you can write down your email address, click on send email and then reset your password quite easily. Sometimes the site might not work, so you must keep your patience and click on that link. And if you want to enable screen recorder or screen reader mode, click on this link over here or this box over here. So guys, this is how you log into your MBTA Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.